You filed a claim. You lost the hearing. Now pay their lawyers. That's the dealing. Yeah. Hey, first cost $80,000. You were self-represented, no silk collar. You raised the issue because it was real, but the cost order broke the appeal. Not because you lied, not because you wasted time, but because the system uses cost as a crime against a person who dares to pursue a legitimate grievance they couldn't get through. The cost order is the weapon after the verdict falls. It's the second punishment for walking through those holes, for asking the question, for daring to be heard. $80,000, that's the final word. Costs order, silencing the poor. Costs order, locking both the door. Access to justice means a cost reform, not punishing the brave for weathering the storm. By the fair go movement. 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 Yeah. The corporation filed interlocutory motion. The legal team, a full ocean, 42,000 in cost they claimed against the battler. The system blamed, indemnity costs, the highest tier, reserved for conduct that is clearly unclear. But broad discretion in the judge's hand means the wrong person can lose their land. The cost order is the weapon after the verdict falls. It's the second punishment for walking through those holes, for asking the question, for daring to be heard. $80,000, that's the final word. Order, silencing the poor. Costs order, locking both the door. Access to justice means a cost reform, not punishing the brave for weathering the storm. By the fair go movement. 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 Cost capping for self-represented parties. Cost transparency before the hearing starts. No adverse costs where the claim was reasonable. No punishing questions that was seasonable. Legal aid reform covers more than the trial. It covers the aftermath. Cost every mile. Cost every mile. Respondent C got the cost order served 6 weeks after judgment, what they deserved. The claim was legitimate, the evidence clear, but procedural misstep cost them dear. The mortgage was gone by the time it resolved. The cost order weapon kept the matter dissolved. The JIC would watch for judicial discretion misuse, and legal aid reform would break the cost abuse. Order, silencing the poor. Costs order, locking both the door. Access to justice means a cost reform, not punishing the brave for weathering the storm. By the fair go movement. By the fair go